Hi, in this video, let's learn how to use Agentic Chat in BMC Helix ITSM. In today's dynamic IT environments, service desk teams need real-time insights to resolve issues quickly. Manual searches and disconnected tools slow the agents down. Agentic Chat, powered by BMC HelixGPT, brings AI-driven assistance directly into your ITSM workflows. It's fast, conversational, and context-aware. Let's look at how Agentic Chat helps in real-world scenarios. Carl, a service desk agent, receives a call from an employee who cannot access the enterprise knowledge system. He opens Agentic Chat and asks for related change requests, the support group, and its members. Agentic Chat returns real-time results with inline links to the incident, change, and person records. Carl finds a recent configuration change that revoked access. He contacts the concerned team and restores access not just for one user, but for all the impacted users. Susan, a service desk manager, notices a spike in Outlook-related incidents in Europe. She asks Agentic Chat for a list of those incidents and recent Outlook changes in that region. Agentic Chat provides instant results with links. Susan identifies the change that caused the issue and rolls it back. Charlie, a change coordinator, wants to track high-priority changes with risk level 4. He types his query in Agentic Chat. Agentic Chat provides a list of matching changes with inline links. He follows up with questions about related incidents and support groups. Agentic Chat gives him everything he needs to coordinate and mitigate risks proactively. Agentic Chat provides you benefits such as real-time, AI-powered insights, reduced manual effort, faster incident resolution, and better collaboration across teams. For more information about Agentic Chat and BMC Helix ITSM, click the link in the description to visit our product documentation. Thank you for watching.